Welcome back to the channel. You can tell I'm happy today. I'm in the Challenger. I've been stuck in my truck for like 2 weeks, and it's been crazy. It was like snowing out, and it was like sub-zero and ice and all that kind of stuff here in the metropolitan area of New York. And it's like what, like 32 degrees, which was like this morning was like 13. Now it's like 32, so that feels like summertime right now. But I wanted to talk about the video I got, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you already saw this video, about the idiot who did a burnout in Times Square with the Mercedes, and then the cop tried to stop him, and then he ran the cop over. I mean, that is this fucking, that is like a death warrant for a New York City cop. I mean, you know, they're gonna catch this guy. And the fact that you did it right in the middle of Times Square, and then I think he sideswiped a dozen cars going down 42nd Street towards, I think, 10th and 11th Avenue, which is towards the west side. But what's even crazier than that is that he thinks he's going to get away with it because there are tons of cameras in and out of the area of Manhattan. You can't come into Manhattan or leave Manhattan without your without a camera catching you. And if this guy had Easy Pass or anything like that, whew, I mean, really, I mean, he should just give himself up. I mean, unless they already did by the time I post this video up, who knows? I mean, and then also what I'll do is I'll see if I can download a video and then attach it to this to show you guys, for any of you guys who haven't seen it yet. But wow. I don't know, there's something wrong with people, I really do. But all right, guys, peace.